The main one was being able to send out the EDMs through the platform itself and to also be able to edit the email campaigns as a whole and not needing to transfer between email and then the, like Photoshop or whatever.
Hi, my name is Alwin and I'm the co-founder of Comm360.
Hi, my name is Alithia and I'm the marketing manager.
Comm360 is a telecommunications system integrator that provides corporate clients with enterprise-grade solutions such as PTT 360 push-to-talk, also known as a walkie-talkie, email cybersecurity, mobile encryption, and lastly, workforce safety and asset tracking. I've learned about QuickDesk when I was attending a course, lead generation using social media. And ever since the course, we actually signed up with QuickDesk in September and officially started using the system. Prior to QuickDesk, I am using Excel to monitor my sales funnel. Quite a manual work, I would say, because I have to manually enter the data and also have to actually check individual sales team members' entry as well. So now with QuickDesk, it helps to automate everything and keeps all the information in one place. We never step out of the comfort zone to actually use something like QuickDesk to monitor all our sales funnel. The comfort zone is we have been using this for 2 to 3 years already, using Excel. So it's like, you never want to try out something new. This works, let's just use it. I think previously we did try one. It's a free software called Hello Leads. Yeah, but in the end it was not exactly what we expected because it still has to do a lot of work, a lot of monitoring and so on, a lot of manual entry as well.
The main one was being able to send out the EDMs through the platform itself and to also be able to edit the email campaigns as a whole and not needing to transfer between email and then the, like Photoshop or whatever, but more of like having an integrated system throughout the entire thing. And also being able to generate reports is a big plus. When you're in marketing, you need reports to back up your findings and stuff, right? So getting the reports and generating them into leads is also something that was a major plus point. Personally, I also had quite a few experiences as well. When we contacted the team, they were very happy to help and they were very prompt in replying. So basically what happened was that there was like a compliance issue. They had to rectify the problem and it was basically done by the end of the day, if not like early the next day. Using QuickDesk was, I wouldn't say it was a breeze because you still have to implement the different softwares and stuff, but it was easy to follow and they had videos to show us as well.
One of the good benefits that we have implemented this QuickDesk is that my partner, the co-founder of Comm360, is able to see my sales funnel as well because we are using the mobile app on the phone. Previously, I'm just using Excel, meaning he has to have the laptop around just to see the sales funnel. So as of now, just the convenience of a smartphone, you can just go into the QuickDesk app and just view it. Yes, I would encourage the use of QuickDesk because it helps to hold all the information in one place. It's easy to be shared. For businesses, sharing of information is very important among the team. So as long as everyone gets up-to-date information, everything actually progresses on efficiently.
I think for me, what I can say is that because we have a dedicated accounts manager, so it's something very different from the other softwares you see in the market today. They definitely don't have a dedicated accounts manager. So whatever questions you have to, write in, email in to their help desk, and it might take quite a while. But with QuickDesk, it's very efficient.
I think on the whole, they are very supportive. Like what Alithia has mentioned, we did encounter some hiccups at the beginning, especially for my case because, as I mentioned, I was using Excel previously. For it to be imported into QuickDesk, there must be some formatting of all my existing information, which I had trouble with. But thankfully, the support group from QuickDesk actually helped me to reorganize my data and even helped me to import it into QuickDesk account. So from then on, everything was smooth.